think it's the weather, it's just horrible. So guys, cut out, if you can let me know if you guys can hear me.
Right out through here, down Greenhill Road, Fullerton Road, Greenway.
A lot of people filming and trying to get him. He's running away. Is he going out that way or he's going around?
Out that way.
Ah. Oh, good turnout for a 7 o'clock start in the morning, man.
That's correct.
And we got Yim from Horsepower Crew, who's nicely organised the whole lot here.
Hey guys!
There's Shelby. The 34 GTR, let me go find it. It's over here. I'll go get the 34 GTR. So go 180, what you guys call over there, 240 SX. Pretty clean, nice brown, yeah, in America.
Wow. That's a bit different.
Yeah. Oh, that is so lovely. Look, he's oh, yeah, I gotta go back here. Wait, and this thing wants to. How nice of him. He wants to hold my umbrella for me.
Oh.
Wow, Jim, you're so nice. Come on, Osmo.
Oh, there you go, Eleanor. Johanna. Oh.
There we go. I'm gonna show a bit of muscle first.